to you out there. Welcome to another edition of Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Salad Master. My name is Nessy. Good to have you on today. On the show today, we are going to prepare something very simple, but something I love to enjoy almost all the time, but I don't get the opportunity to prepare it much. We are doing some tilapia light soup with the Salad Master Fufu. Yes, you heard me, the Salad Master Fufu. I know you're wondering, hey, Salad Master, do you have fufu? Yes, we have a very special way of going about the fufu. So basically, you know what, let me just chalk it there. I would let you in on it when I'm about to start with the fufu preparation. Let's get straight into the ingredients and let's see what we have in our kitchen today. For our tilapia soup today, we have, of course, the tilapia. This has already been marinated for a few hours. You can also choose to do it overnight. You wouldn't go wrong there. I have a bit of unsalted beef here. Yeah, just to add some spice to the soup as well. For our vegetables, of course, you know I love my turkey berries. It's so nutrition dense. Plus, it gives your soup and whatever sauce you add to it some sweetness. You know, it's all natural. We're going all natural today. I have my beetroot. I have some habanero or pepper. I have some garlic, some tomatoes. I have about 5 bulbs of onions here and some carrots. Then for the fufu, we have the plantain and then some cassava in there as well. What we're going to start with right now is the light soup. To help us prepare the soup today, I know people have been wondering, Salad Master, it seems you're always using small pieces. Today I want to introduce you to one of our biggest pieces. This piece can actually cook for about 9 to 12 people. You heard me, 9 to 12 people or more. Yes. What is this piece called? This is what we call the 10 quart. The 10 quart. The 10 quart has about 9.5 liters capacity. It's very roomy for your soups. You know, we love our benkwai, our garnet soups, tilapia soups and all that. This is very ideal for you. For jollof, maybe you're having a small get together, some family gathering. This can also do that for you. In fact, whatever it is you want to cook, this is your go-to piece to have because it's very large, it's roomy, and it can cook for the number of mouths you want to feed. Okay. The first thing that's going to go into the 10 quart will be the unsalted beef. So I'm just going to throw it in here. We're going to put this on fire for a bit, just to cook it a bit. You know, tilapia is quite soft, so if we put it so much on fire, it would come apart, it would tear, and we don't want that to happen to our soup today. So I'm just going to put this on fire for a bit. Before I put it on fire, I'm going to add some onion. Let me quickly get cone 1. No, let me get cone 2. Oh, what is a cone? Well, the cone is a blade. If you're new to the program, I know you're wondering what this is. I'll let you in very soon. But let me just get straight to cone 2. Lock it down and then take one off my onion. Very simple, chop it up, easy breezy. And yes, the machine is up for grabs. It's free. Give us a call, give us a call, give us a call. Do not wait anymore. This is up for grabs. Let me quickly use cone 1 to chop up some garlic. Pretty simple, pretty fast, absolutely free as well. Yes, okie dokie. So I'm just going to pour this onto the beef, the unsalted beef. I mean, you can feel free to use the salted beef if that is what you like, but tonight I'm going with the unsalted beef. Okie dokie. Once again, I'm cleaning out the cone so I don't lose some of my food, and I'm going to pour this onto the beef. Add a bit of water, and then I'm going to put this on fire. So the beef is on the fire now. We're going to leave it on for about 7 to 10 minutes so that it cooks a bit. But while it's cooking, I'm just going to go straight and then chop up the ingredients we have with the Salad Master machine. Cook it on fire without water, yes, before we blend them. Quickly, I'm just going to change my cone. I'm going to use cone 3 now. I'm going to chop some of the onions. Can you see how this is going? This is pretty easy, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. But you can cut your kitchen prepping time into half if and only if you have this machine in your kitchen. Let me go straight to the carrot. Look at that. Now I've just finished chopping about 4 onions and I am not even crying. How amazing is this machine? Chop, 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 chop. Now the amount of ingredients we use will be dependent on the quantity of soup that you want. So I will leave that to your discretion. I am cooking quite big or large today, so my ingredients will be a bit much than usual. Let me go straight to my beetroots. Okay, almost there. Let me add my tomatoes. Oops, I ran away. I know you're saying, wow, this machine is amazing. It is. Oh, I love my salad master machine. You could have one too, you know, for free. For free, yes. So just make sure you're giving us a call. Pick any of the numbers you see on your screen, and then we'll let you in on how you can win this amazing machine for free. I'm going to take one of my pieces now, and then we're going to cook this on fire. I'll be right back. Okay, so everything is already chopped up now, and like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to cook the vegetables without a single drop of oil. I'm just going to pour it straight into my 3-quart here. Now, if you are hearing a click, 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 click behind me, it's just signaling that my temperature has risen above the optimum temperature I need to be cooking at. So in just a second, I'm just going to lower the heat so that it cooks at the right temperature, which is 86 degrees Celsius. That is the best temperature to maximize all of the nutrition in your food and also kill any bad bacteria that may be present. I intentionally left this onion here for when I'm blending. I just want to add fresh onions to it before I blend them. So that's it. And this is just going to go on fire without water. Let's put it on fire then. See how sometimes you really feel for fufu, but there's nobody in the house to help you pound it? Or you're just too tired to do the pounding? Well, this is a very easy, simple way to have your own fufu with your own fresh banchi or cassava, your own plantain as well. So I'm just going to walk you through how this is done. It's pretty easy, and of course with the salad master machine it's even easier. Just see what's happening here. So I have my plantain, I have my kunwan in here. I'm just going to put it on and then just grate it into very, 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 very tiny chunks. Look at that. I'll do the same for the cassava as well. Almost there. Okay, last one. Let me just show you. So this is it, grated with a machine, and now I'm just gonna throw this into a blender, add a bit of water, blend it, and then that's it. I'll be right back. Look at that. It's all done. Nicely blended, smooth as well. And yeah, this piece is one of the pieces I absolutely love in the Salad Master collection. It's what we call the 1.5 quart. It's the last but one baby in the Salad Master collection, and I love it because I have a small family, so whenever I want to cook rice, my husband, myself, my baby, we do this in here, and then it goes around. We even have a bit of leftovers for, you know, the following day. So this here, I'm just going to throw this in here like that. This will be enough for about 2 mouths, yes. So that's just about it. If it's a bit too thick, all I need to do is just add a bit of water in there, have that paste, and then I put it on fire. The amazing bit about the salad masa fufu, or anything we need and sort of stir in salad masa, is the fact that we do not need to spend about 30 minutes with a fire stirring continuously. No. What I'm just going to do now is I'm just going to put a little bit of water in there, give it a bit of smoothness, or make it a bit watery. Put it on fire, cover it. That's it. I am not going to stir continuously. Oh yeah, be popping in and in and out just to see if the consistency is okay. Once it's there, I just take my wooden ladle, stir it, and then fufu is done. How simple is that? Give me a call. You need this. So it's been about 7 minutes, and I think the vegetables are done. Let's quickly have a peek. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. It's all cooked. And it's as if we poured water in here, and there was no single drop of water added to this. This is just the moisture from the vegetables themselves. So you don't need water to cook your vegetables, and you can only get desired results with salad masa. Can you see the colors in there? Everything is still vibrant. We've lost no color, meaning that our vitamins are still intact in here. So done. I'm just going to put the fire off, and I'm going to blend this. Come pour it on the beef on fire, and then we add the tilapia, and really, soup is done. We'll be right back. Okay, it's time to check on the fufu. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. I'm just going to give it a stir. Can you see that? It's actually almost cooked. Now I'm just turning it in here, mixing it all so we have a smooth mixture. In fact, it is done actually. How amazing is this? How easy, how simple, how straightforward is this? Oh. Okay. The water in. We also add the marinated tilapia. Hi viewers, everything is done. Can you see this? The fufu is done, tilapia soup check, and today I guess is in the house. I hope you can just, spot her in the corner. She's already prepping herself to come and do the tasting, washing her hands. Let me not talk much. Irene, are you done washing up? Oh, please join me here. Join me here. Hi. Welcome. Good to have you on set today. I know you've been yearning to come here. How do you feel?
I'm blessed.
Blessed. Ooh, thank you. I'm also blessed to have you here. Well, Irene, everything is done. Just have a taste, a bite. Let me just hold this up for you. Be your table, and then here we go.
Thank you. So let me take the bite of the fish.
Okay.
Okay. This is awesome.
Wow.
Very
Awesome.
Nice. Yes.
Thank you.
I'm not joking. This is real. So let me go to the food.
Go to the fufu.
Excuse me. Let me take it.
Okay, another one just so that you can, okay. Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
This isn't a normal wow.
Mm.
This is exceptional. Very delectable.
Delectable. Love it.
The fufu is different. It's very nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how did you do it?
So behind the scenes, or as our viewers saw, you were in here, so let me just walk you through. Basically, we just have our normal banchi or cassava, normal plantain, and we just chopped that with our amazing machine, and then we blended it. We put it on fire, stirred it, end result.
Amazing.
Amazing, isn't it? So you can actually try this.
I won't talk much.
Don't talk much. But what would you tell somebody watching us this evening? You know, just saying, these people, are they sure? Is this not a gimmick? What would you tell somebody watching us this evening?
Honestly, this is real. The food, the soup, the fish, everything is special. It's the best. So I'm encouraging you to keep on watching and learn from Salad Master.
Yeah.
And you'll be amazed to get what or see what you get from your homes. Very delicious and very healthy.
Very healthy, I like that. Thank you so much, Irene, for passing through. Right. I know you can't wait to go and munch on this behind the scenes, so I will come and be with you very soon. Thank you once again. Bye-bye. So you heard it for yourselves. Irene walked in today. She was a guest for today, and she loved, I think the word she was using was wow, delectable and all that. I love those words as well. And it's been lovely coming your way tonight. I really can't wait to come back to your screens next week. I hope you enjoyed the show, and I want you to remember that take time and invest in your health. It's the only valuable asset you have. That's a bye from me. This has been Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Salad Master. My name is Nessy. See you next week. Ta-ta!